Now, second part of octahedral compound. In next part of octahedral compound, we have discussed the property of cobalt NH3 whole 6 3 plus. It means hexaamine cobalt third ion. Hexaamine cobalt third ion. Also we will find the hybridization, magnetic nature, and inner or outer orbitals complex. So as I told you previous में मैंने आपको बताया था, first we find the Z atomic number of cobalt is 27. So the electronic configuration Ar is 3d7 4s2. Now we want to oxidation number. Oxidation number of cobalt is X, because we want to find the oxidation number of cobalt X. 6. The oxidation number of ammonia is 0 because it is neutral compound or neutral ligand, and equal to +3. So X equal to 3 is the oxidation number of cobalt. Now these 3 electrons are released from this one and one from that one. So the configuration become 1 2 3 4 5. This is 3d orbitals, 3d, 4s, 4p, and 1 2 3 4 5 4d. Now what happened? Because we have the 6 electron in d orbital, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now ammonia is a weak or strong? Yes, it is a strong ligand, strong field ligand. So these electrons are pair up. So this electron come to that one side, this to that one side. So the new arrangement become 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4. So that one come to, and this here. Now 4s, 4p, and 4d. Because 2 orbitals are empty here, and thus amine required only 6 orbitals. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. These 6 electrons are paired up. So the configuration become 3d, means d2 1 2 s1 and p3, d2 sp3 hybridization. So the hybridization is d2sp3. Now the electrons, all our electrons are pair up. No single electrons are left there, because all the electrons are pair up. So it is dimagnetic. It is dimagnetic in nature. This time students, electron consume d orbitals from inner sides. So it is inner orbital complex. It is inner orbital complex. So by using these problem, we can find the inner orbital complex and outer orbital complex questions easily. Thank you.